Welcome to Learn English with Zadanke. The fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn English. Hi, how is it going? I'm Zahra. Nice to meet you. In this series, we're going to learn some easy way to ask and answer common questions in English. It's really useful and it only takes 4 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn new, more common ways to ask and answer the questions. How are you in English? You've probably learned how are you and I'm fine in textbooks before. But in the United States, people will usually ask this question and answer in a different way. First, let's review. If someone says, how are you? You can say, I'm fine. I'm fine. Here are some other ways to answer. Pretty good. Pretty good. This means about the same things as I'm fine. Pretty good. Pretty good. We also have not bad. You can use this when you're feeling okay or so-so. Not bad. Let's look at our questions again. How are you? This is the most well-known way of asking how someone is. You could use it when you want to be polite. But now, let's look at some different ways to ask how someone is. These ways are more casual and much more common. First, hey, how's it going? You can answer this in many ways. If you're feeling good, you can say, good. Good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Once more. Good. Pretty good. And not bad. Here's tip. Even though these answers mean the same things as I'm fine, you can't answer how's it going with I'm fine. It will sound strange. If you're not feeling good, you can say not so good. Not so good. Not great. Not great. Or not so well. Not so well. Be careful. If you say one of these, the other person will usually ask you, why? What's wrong? To be polite. Then you will have to explain. Another casual and common version of how are you is what's up? What's up? To reply, use not much or nothing much. Nothing much. This means you're free and able to chat. Since what's up is just another way of saying hello, you can also reply with hey, hi. Now it's time for my advice. A lot of the time when we are asking how are you in English, we are not actually asking about the other person's health. We are only asking to be polite. You should think of these questions as another way of saying hello, a way for the conversation to get started instead of actual visual questions. In fact, when someone asks you what's up, you don't even have to answer. Just say what's up and reply. Do you know the difference between what do you do and what are you doing? It's a little tricky, but it's really easy and simple. I will tell you on the next episode.